Trucker Colbert, Speedokote Finish Network. So today we have a brand new bumper for a Forester XT. Brand new being it's actually in raw plastic, not even primer on it. There is a specific prep process with this that we have to do to ensure adhesion, and today we're going to go ahead and go over those steps. So if you have a brand new bumper or new front lip or whatever and it's in raw plastic, these are the things that you're going to need to get it prepped up. Okay, so for starters, to get it scuffed up and ensure adhesion, we got our gray Scotch pad and we got our Speedokote scuff paste. After that, we're going to go ahead and hose the bumper off and wipe it clean with a microfiber. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and tack rag it just in case we get any lint from the microfiber. We're going to go ahead and hit it with a clear primer, aka an adhesion promoter. This stuff is great for plastics or really anything that you really want to enhance the adhesion on. Alright guys, so that wraps up for this one. Base coat covered out really good. We did about 3 coats of base coat, and then we did 1 just light mist coat as a drop coat. It is a pearl, I know it's kind of hard to see in the camera. And we did 2 pretty wet coats of the production Glamour Clear, and everything came out really good. The gloss on this production Glamour Clear, you know, will leave you pretty much speechless every time you use it. It just has such a deep gloss and it lays out extremely smooth and flat. Once again, guys, this just goes to show that you don't need a $30,000 spray booth to get extremely high quality professional results right at home in your garage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.